Spotted an .mv file in your video editing folder and curious what it's for? This backup format protects your work in MiKTeX video software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to use Movie Edit Pro backup files. As a baseline safety measure, a robust file viewer is indispensable for handling legacy or strange MV formats. I'll touch more on my go-to program after the main troubleshooting steps. A temporary file created by WinRAR during the process of downloading or moving a compressed archive. This file indicates that the operation is incomplete or was interrupted. Users encounter this file when a download fails, and their primary goal is to understand why the file is unusable and how to resume the process. The .mv or .mv file is a placeholder that contains the partially transferred binary data of the final archive. The prefix is a common convention to denote a temporary state, preventing the system or user from treating it as a complete valid file until the transfer is successfully finished and the file is renamed. MiKTeX, developed by Schenk, is often used as the source validator for .mv. The file is susceptible to corruption when accessed by standard Windows processes. Windows offers only basic recognition, so full extraction must be done with dedicated archive software. We are testing every installed program for file recognition. Right-click your .mv file and choose Open With. Test MiKTeX first. If it fails, select another application. The solution lies in finding the right reader. If the .mv file won't budge, stay calm. Since the application couldn't handle the .mv file, we shift focus. I want you to perform these 3 essential recovery steps immediately. First, restoring from backup. Rename the .mv file to MVP using File Explorer, making it visible to MiKTeX Movie Edit Pro as a regular project. Open the renamed file in Movie Edit Pro via File, then open to recover the previous project state with all timeline content and editing decisions intact. Next, configuring backup behavior. Open Movie Edit Pro Preferences via File, then Settings, then Program Settings to control backup frequency and retention. Increase backup frequency for active projects with many editing decisions. Set retention to keep multiple .mv generations for granular recovery options across recent edit sessions. Finally, cleaning old backups. Delete old .mv files that no longer correspond to active projects to free disk space. These backups are safe to remove once the original MVP project is verified working. Movie Edit Pro creates fresh backups automatically as you continue editing without affecting current project integrity. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If your issue is resolved, please comment "Fixed" below. Subscribing is the best way to keep getting help.